Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy, and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and things happening in my real life sometimes. Today I have an update for my project called the Love My Makeup Project, so stay tuned. Alright, this is Love My Makeup. It is a project I started in 2022, I think. I don't know, maybe early 2023. Basically a small project to fill the gap in my recording schedule at the time, and I have kept with it. It is a small 10-use project where I just work on 3 products at a time. You are welcome to joining me if you like. You just have to pick 3 products and use them 10 times, and that's all it is. The idea behind this was to use items that are new in your collection and get a feel for them, whether you like them or not, or things in your collection that have been sitting around getting neglected and bringing them back out and giving them some love. That's why we love our makeup. And that's as easy as it is. If you want to join, let me know down in the comments, and you can, if you post videos or on social media, you can use the hashtag #LoveMyMakeupProject. So I like to focus on something for my eyes, something for my face, and something for my lips. Kind of a well-rounded, group of products. So since it's only 3 products, let's get into them. The first one I was working on is for my face. It is a blush. This is from the Sephora Colorful Blush Collection. This is the shade 01 Shame on You. And when I looked at it online, it looked cooler than it is in real life. It is actually a very peach blush. It is pretty, but I have so many peach blushes, and I'm really looking forward to a cooler blush. I did swatch it, and I'm showing you the product again. There it is on my hand right there. It is a lovely color. I am not wearing it today, but my goal was 10 uses, and I did meet my goal on that. I don't think I updated this project last month, so it's been 2 months. Anyway, this is a goal met, so that is rolling out. The next prompt was, or the next product, there are no prompts in this project. The next product I was working on was for my lips. By the way, I brought this in January, and just let you know because I keep track of that. And then this I brought in February. This is a lipstick bullet, and it is in the shade Paleontologist. It is a little bit dirty because I just put it on over top of something else, but that is what it looks like. It is a very nudie brownish shade. I can wear it on top of a lip liner and it's fine. It doesn't give up too much payoff. Like I said, I just put it on over something else. Gives it a little brownish look. It is okay. So far, that is use number 3. Not a color I reach for regularly, but I was focusing on other lip colors to get use on. So this is now in my rotation to be worn a little more frequently. And then finally, my product for my eyes I brought in March, which was apparently the last time I updated this project, and it was an eyeliner. I brought in my Divine Calo Kajal pencil from Tennis. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what it says. It is in black. It is a black gel creamy eyeliner. I will give you a swatch of it. I am wearing it today along my upper lash line. There it is. It is a beautiful, it is one of these retractable types. Does not sharpen and is quite thick, but it still seems to work okay. I mean, it doesn't have a built-in sharpener, I should say. I'm sure you could sharpen it. Anyway, my goal is 10 uses because that's what this project is all about. My brain is going. And I think that was today's use, so we're up to 7 uses. I can't tell if that was today's mark or some other day's mark, but there are 7 marks, so we've used it 7 times. So I have 3 more uses left to go. So since I met my 10 uses on my blush, I am bringing in another face product. Normally I for face, I like go with cheeks, you know, like a blush or a highlighter, something like that. I think I have brought in face powders before. I'm going a little bit different today. I am bringing in a product that I purchased and have not had a chance to use. It's brand new in my product collection. And yeah, this is from L'Oreal. It is their Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream in Fair. I got this when my local drugstore was going out of business and they had everything marked down. This is in the shade Fair, which if you can't tell, I am. And I will give you, whoop, it is coming out. Okay. It is one of these white products. Starts off white and then you rub it in and it matches your skin tone, so it's white. And then we magically rub it around and voila, it blends in. I don't know if you can see, there is actual product there, some coverage. So it says it gives a primes, corrects, hydrates, and perfects a flawless bare skin finish. So I'm looking forward to giving that a try. I think you can see a little bit down here, there's no product, and then right here there is product. Anyway, looking forward to giving that a try. I have to wipe up the, luckily I didn't get it on my keyboard, just on my notebook. So I'm bringing that in to give it a try and see how I feel about it. It looks like a nice product. I don't need a whole lot of color correcting or coverage. So this should be something that'd be fun and easy to put on. It feels really nice on my skin. So yeah, we'll see. It looks like it may be oxidizing a little bit darker. I think you can see it there. So we'll see how it works out on me. Maybe it might end up being too dark. We'll see, but that's why I'm bringing it in. I got it on a good deal, and so I'm bringing it in to give it a try. If you've tried this product, let me know. And if you want to join the project, let me know. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that while you're here. It means a lot to me. And until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and you'll see me in the next video.